In today's video, I will show you some of the fastest fruit trees you can grow from seeds, and some can even start fruiting in just a few years. The good news is, you need only one tree to produce fruit, as their flowers are self-pollinating. Here are 9 fruit trees to grow from seeds. Papaya tree. This is the fastest growing tree from seed to fruit in only a year or even less. Plant seeds from a ripe papaya. Use fresh seeds. Germination in 1 to 3 weeks. Very fast growth. Flowers of some varieties are self-pollinating. Fruiting in 6 to 12 months. Not true to type, but always tasty. Difficulty: very easy. Grows well in containers. 2. Guava tree. Guava tree also grows easily, from seed in just 2 years. Fruiting in 2 to 3 years. Not true to type, but fruit are tasty. Difficulty: easy for beginners. Grows well in containers. 3. Pomegranate tree. The pomegranate tree is drought tolerant. It grows well from seeds. Plant seeds just below the surface of soil. Germination in 2 to 6 weeks. Flowers. Germination in 2 to 6 weeks. Flowers, self-pollinating. Fruiting, 2 to 3 years. Not true to type, but fruit are of good quality. Difficulty: easy for beginners. Grows well in containers. First germinate seeds in a paper towel, and then plant the germinated seed in soil. Germination, 2 to 6 weeks. Flowers, self-pollinating. Fruiting, 3 to 5 years. True to parent. Medium difficulty for beginners. Grows well in containers. 5. Fig tree. Fig is an easy-to-grow plant, but you need proper seeds from wasp-pollinated figs. You can grow from fresh or dried fruit from grocery store. Germination, 2 to 6 weeks. Flowers, common fig varieties are self-pollinating. Fruiting, 1 to 2 years. Not true to type. Easiness, easy for beginners. Grows well in containers. Seeds needing stratification for germination. Now I will show for the pits, and need stratification for germination. Some seeds don't germinate directly. They need special treatment, called stratification before germination. They require a long chill time before they will germinate. For this process, wrap the seeds in a damp paper towel or in moist moss, seal it in a Ziploc bag and keep in refrigerator for 2 to 3 months. Some seeds may germinate during this process. Sow the stratified seeds in soil. 6. Apricot tree. Use a hammer to crack the pits open and take out the seeds. Stratify the seeds before planting. Look here, my seeds germinated in fridge. Plant the germinated seed in free-drain soil 2-inch deep. Seeds germinate in 2 to 4 weeks after stratification. Flowers are self-pollinating. Fruit in 3 to 5 years. Not true to parent. Difficulty: medium for beginners. Can be grown in large pots. 7. Peach and nectarine trees. Germination in 2 weeks after stratification. Flowers are self-pollinating. Fruit in 2 to 4 years. Not true to parent, but often the fruit are of good quality. Difficulty: medium for beginners. Can be grown in large pots. 8. Persimmon tree. Grow Asian variety, few persimmon. Self-pollinating, so no other tree is needed for fruits. Germinates in 2 to 8 weeks after stratification. Flowers, Asian variety is self-pollinating. Fruits in 3 to 5 years, not true to parent. Difficulty, medium for beginners. Can be grown in large pots. 9. Mango tree. Polyembryonic mango seeds. Like Kensington Pride, can produce fruit in less than 5 years. Take out seed from a ripe mango and wash it. Use a sharp knife to cut along the edge of the hard shell to slightly open it. Then plant the seed 2 inches deep in soil. Germination into 2 to 4 weeks. Flowers are self-pollinating, so one tree produces fruit. Fruiting in 5 years. Monoembryonic seed fruit in 10 years or more. Polyembryonic seeds produce fruit true to parent. Difficulty, medium. Can be grown in pots, but transplant to garden when grows big. Always use fresh seeds from fully ripe fruit. Soaking seeds helps germination. Plant seeds below the soil, about twice the size of the seed. Plant in full sunlight. Keep soil moist, not soggy. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Press the bell icon to know when I post new videos. Tell me in the comments, which fruit will you grow first? Thanks for watching.